Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to add or to partition the hard drive of your personal computer. As you can see in mine, there are only one partition. So let's start it. Go to your My PC, right click, then go to Manage. After that, then just click the Disk Management. After that, you can see there is C drive and there is also a system reserved. Just right click the C drive, then click the shrink volume. It will take a lot of time, just wait for that one. Then for this, you can set what would be the storage capacity of another partition. In mine, I've set it into 6,000. That would be 6 gig or 5 something. Then just click shrink. Then wait for that one. Then here you can see there is already an allocated drive. Just right click that one, then click the new symbol volume. Then just click next. Then here just leave it default. Then next, don't change anything in that part. Then here you can set what letter D you want you like. Here I've just choose the letter D. Then don't change anything, or don't, just click next. Then here in the file system, it must be NTFS. If it's not, just check or just choose the NTFS in the file system. And here you can change the name. Then next. Then next. Or finish. Just click finish and that's it. We've already have another partition in our hard drive. Just refresh or just click the My PC, my computer. Then you can see there's already a file D that we have created. Thank you for watching.